And the reason being is that their AI was actually, and I quote, 700 plus Indian developers overseas that were working on requests real time.
No,
That's not a joke. It's actually documented.
Wow.
Yeah.
that's insane.
Was the idea that they would eventually train an LLM or a neural network or something on the Indians' work?
I think the way it actually worked is the LLM would process the initial request, like the concept, and then on that team, I'm going to say team because I feel weird saying Indian, even though that's whatever. The request would come in, the initial code concept might be there, but as we know, vibe coding is an iterative piece of work, and someone doesn't know or understand how to like vibe code if they have no tech knowledge. So the idea is the initial script would get spit out, then this team would quickly iterate on it. Well, it's like literally like processing V1 of your app. Please wait. They're literally programming it on their end and submitting it and going through
Wow.
iterations like that. It's almost like that joke where it's that Google one where it's like as you're typing, like the type ahead.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's
They did
somebody
like
in the back,
someone on
like,
the other
thinking
end's
about
like
it.
quickly trying to like guess like what you're typing.
Yeah.
It was that, but like actually real. So anyway, they're being charged or tried for fraud because it didn't actually do what it was trying to do, but they also used a business that they owned to contract to that team to bill out to themselves or something like that, essentially driving up their valuation,
Yeah.
inflating it. I don't know the specifics of it. Anyway, so they're being tried for fraud on that. And then SoftBank, I think it was, that gave them the majority of their investment, froze like basically all of their current liquid assets.
Wild.
And they filed for bankruptcy.
Hardcore.
So I have it
Yeah.
here. They collapsed mid 2025. Also crazy that we're in mid 2025.
Yeah.
And it was financial misconduct and deceptive business practices. So, yeah, marketed its platform as AI driven, claimed that its Natasha system could autonomously build apps. And the work was being performed manually by 700 engineers in India who were instructed to mimic AI generated responses and conceal their identities. That's
Oh,
crazy.
that's
Isn't-
so funny that the
isn't that
humans
bonkers?
were prompted to talk like AI.
So one of the comments, and I don't totally agree with it, but like now I feel like there's like this new wording for AI, and in the comment for the Farship video was like AI equals actually Indian team.
That's so funny.